Here we go, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to review 4 600mm spray cans. There's quite a surprising outcome, and if you're into painting things fast, if you catch my drift, then there is definitely one that you should pick over the rest. In this video I review the 600mm KOBRA, 600mm loop, 600mm AKA and 600mm flame orange. So yeah, let's get into it. So I did turn up with quite a complex sketch, probably too complex for testing paint. I should have chosen something more simpler with bigger areas of colour for fading and whatever else, but yeah, I took the structure from the sketch and then I kind of freestyled it, which really didn't help with the final outcome, but anyway, it is what it is. First up, AKA KOBRA yellow flat cap. Next up, loop. Flame orange. Alright, now KOBRA. Alright, pink dot. Alright, pink dot on the loop. Definitely a higher output than the AKA. Right, flame orange or the pink dot. And KOBRA with the pink dot. So far they're all very similar. I'll probably say the loop is the higher output out of all 4. Right, next up, skinny cap, banana. Yeah, loop definitely feels the higher pressure. So it's the flame orange. And the KOBRA. Yeah, all pretty much the same. Just loop seems higher pressure, faster output. Maybe it's got a different valve on it or something. Not sure. So they're all pretty much the same, apart from I'd say loop has got a higher output, and that's about it. They all have the same kind of coverage, same kind of valve. Maybe the loop is a little bit firmer, that's why it's got a higher output, maybe different valve. But anyway, that's that. So, coverage. As I just said, they're all very much similar, but in this test I can give you a fair comparison because obviously they're different shades of different colours. So, yeah. The valve, as I also just said, the loop valve seems the firmest. I don't know whether the other three have the same valve system or not, but I kind of prefer a softer valve, so yeah. But loop did have a higher output, so if you're up to illegal actions, then obviously you might want to use the loop. So, colour range. This is a bit of an interesting one. So, aka 18 colours without chromes. Not sure if they do chromes or not. Loop has 17 colours without the chromes. I know they definitely do a silver chrome. Not sure if they do a gold or a copper, so that might add to the range. KOBRA has 22, including the chromes. They definitely do a silver, a copper, and a gold chrome. And then flame orange. I couldn't find a colour chart for this, but they definitely do 15, including the chromes. An interesting one that I should have added to this list of 600ml cans that I tested would have been the Clash Tyson cans. I've used them in the past. They're alright. They're probably not as good as either of these four that I've tested in this video, but yeah, it would have added to the overall testing. Anyway, right, what are we on to next? Price. They all come in around £5 currently here in the UK. I'm not sure where what they cost elsewhere in the world. Right, and the final thing is my favourite. So, it's close between AKA and the flame orange, but if I had to pick one, I'd probably go with the flame orange because it comes with the chromes, and the AKA, I'm not sure whether the range comes with the chromes, even though they've got 18 colours rather than the, well, 15 including the chromes. Anyway, that is it for this video. If you want to see me finish the piece, as well as paint another piece directly afterwards, which is a little bit more blocky and just using fat caps, then make sure you subscribe because that is the next video I will release. Probably a lot less, or there will be a lot less talking in that video. There will just be mainly painting, mainly action. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please drop me a comment. Tell me what experiences you've had with either of those 600ml cans that I tested in this video. And did I say like this video? Like this video. And yeah, subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.